Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Today we're making no-knead bread and it will be baked without an oven. You don't need to break the bank in order to bake a bread. You see, you just need to make do with what you have. So let's go in. In a bowl, we pour in a cup of water and then a teaspoon of yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we give it a stir. Next, we go in with our flour, 2 cups of flour. We didn't allow the yeast to rest because it's an instant yeast we're using. So we just go in straight with the ingredients. Don't forget to add your salt after adding the flour, and then we give it a very good mix. Remember, it's a no-knead bread, so we're not going to be stressing ourselves with kneading and sweating. If you don't have a machine, a mixer, you can just do it this way. Next, we're going with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You can use any oil of your choice, vegetable oil, olive oil, or butter if you have it. And then we'll mix this until the butter is well incorporated. Simple, you see, no stress. And after this much mixing, we then flour surface and put the dough on the surface, and next we'll be cutting it. Remember, we're not kneading, we just cut this, and we'll mold it. Oil our pan. I'm using just 2 pans here, a bigger and a smaller one. So we just mold this dough, and then we'll grease our pan and put it in, and that is just it. All these things can be done in a space of 5 minutes. I mean, the mixing of the ingredients, making the whole dough, and then putting in the pan. It can be done in the space of 5 minutes. All right, let's continue with our dough. And our pan is ready. I'll be greasing it with butter. You can grease with oil. It doesn't have to be butter, so I just made do with what I had. That is it. After this, the next step is to put inside the pan, cover, and allow it to rise. It will take about 30 minutes to rise, depending on how warm the place you put it is. Yes, depending on how warm. So this area, this is Nigeria, and the weather currently is very, very hot, so it didn't take a long time. We're lighting up our stove at this point, and our pot is going on it. We're going to be preheating the pot. Get the same thing you do to your oven. Okay, while preheating it, let's egg wash our dough. I'm using butter to do the egg washing this time, not the regular egg. You get? So just make do with whatever you have, and you have a very nice bread. That is just the whole idea of this video. Okay, now the pot is already preheated, and we're going in with our dough. And we'll be baking for about 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. That is just it. You're using a stove, so you just need to be very, very careful with the heat. At this point, the bread is ready. That is after 45 minutes. Let me remind you again about the heat. You have to do this whole thing on a very low heat so it doesn't get burnt. So this is the bread, very soft, fluffy, airy, and of course the taste was amazing, very, very amazing. It's more like the bread is more like one that was made with baked in an oven. Just has the same consistency. There is no difference, and the taste is just amazing. You see how airy it is, how light, how fluffy it is. That is it. So I've taught you how to make this bread. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.